Sometimes you gotta pack up your car,
grab the dog beds, load them up,
and get out of town.
So what?
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads. I never realized how many of our neighbors had above-ground pools. Gross.
It was a 9-hour car trip, and we just kept driving until we saw mountains.
The dogs were amazing on this entire trip, and we just decided it was best to sleep in shifts. Oh.
He's really excited. He doesn't even know where we're going.
This is our trip. After 9 hours in the car, we arrived at Gaia Arise Farm.
It's a hemp and animal rescue farm, and it's also our Airbnb for the night.
The dogs got to jump out, stretch their legs, and take a look at our home for the next couple nights. At 16 and a half years old, our little girl Seymour doesn't do stairs. Bring that dog up. Alright, let's take a look here. Got a dining room. We've got a small AC unit, but it's chilly outside. Oh, there's a photo of a handsome man. Oh, wait. Oh, look, a little poopy nook. Little poopy nook to take our poopies in privacy. Nice little living space where Renette can cook me breakfast.
Toast.
Oh, yeah. What's this? Oh, it's the breaker box. Yeah, it's really cute. Don't worry, I got everything. Once we were settled into our room, we got to explore the farm.
And this is where we met Nick and Oreo.
Oreo's the goat. Nick, he's the cow that acts like a dog.
Good to see you.
Yes.
Hi, Pups.
Next, we met Sergeant Pepper and Chubby Checker, the two piggies on the farm.
There are also llamas, but they act a lot like the popular girls at school and just tend to avoid everybody. We met the owner, Nicole, who up until recently worked in the medical field until she decided she wanted to rescue animals and own a farm.
It really is an incredible property, and everybody is welcome there.
Want to go on an adventure?
So, what are we doing?
We're probably going to die on a mountain road.
That's not what the plan was.
That's my plan.
So we're heading to, we're on a curvy road, heading to Looking Glass Falls in North Carolina near Asheville. And then we're going to hit up a couple more waterfalls. We're taking Rex with the GoPro attached to his back, and it's very rainy today, but we're going to make the best of it because it's the only day we have to do this.
Who's a good boy? He looks so sad. Rex is not in the mood for a water hike. Who's a good boy?
had been raining all day, the hiking was beautiful and we were basically the only ones out there.
The hiking was amazing, and there were so many different trails. You could really choose your own adventure, and it was all beautiful. Taken Rex on a good handful of hikes and adventures, and I don't think he really appreciates the natural beauty that we come across. So we're hiking.
Yeah.
And at the Renette Falls. Wait, I forgot. Wait, what's the name of it? Where?
We did Triple Falls earlier.
No, where are we at now?
I don't know. It's a waterfall.
That's okay. I got footage of the sign. And Rex, he is such a good adventure dog. He's so good off leash. We literally just had his leash tucked in throughout the journey, but he always does this. He goes ahead, checks the area ahead of us, and then waits for us, and then goes ahead. He'll either alternate between checking ahead and coming back for us, or heeling so closely we don't know where he is.
Because he turns with us. We're like, Rex, and he turns like, wait, where is he? Good boy.
Good boy, buddy. It's important whenever you're hiking to have appropriate attire. I'm wearing a hiking shirt, hiking pants, hiking boots, and it's always important to have a pack mule to carry all your stuff.
So what am I, a hooker or a mule?
Oh, so now you know the name of the falls.
All right, so it's like 6:30 p.m. We've been on the go since about 11.
Yeah.
We've hit about 4 or 5 waterfalls, I believe.
It was raining all day, so it was kind of tough to shoot stuff because we didn't want to get all of our gear wet. But the last couple waterfalls we hit, the rain lightened up enough. We were able to bring out the drone, so that was exciting.
Yeah.
Being from Florida, we don't get a lot of mountains and beautiful sights like this, because when you go for a drive in Florida, it is just flat road and maybe you get to see a cow. It's about 52 degrees right now. We had our jackets on earlier through the day, and yeah, it was just really, really lovely.
Really pretty waterfalls, and Rex is out. Gone off map.
The flat earthers were right. Oh wait, no, there's still world. The only thing that makes leaving a beautiful place like that tolerable is when you're returning to another beautiful place.
Come on. These two are best friends. They love it. Hi, guys. Happy to see you.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, my goodness.
Hey, buddy.
Oh.
We woke up early the next morning for one reason and one reason alone.
And it was totally worth it.
Our plan was to hit 5 amazing places in 12 days, so we had to say goodbye to Nick and Oreo.
We had to say goodbye to Chubby Checker and Sergeant Pepper.
We had to say goodbye to the Diva Llamas who think they're better than me. Because it was time to get back on the open road and head north.
But this is definitely a place we want to go back to.